In 2002, when the first group of revelers gathered at the foot of the Belcan Bridge to cover themselves in mud and party through Belize City's streets until daylight, some Belizeans weren't too sure about the idea. But the infectious fun was too much to resist, and now, 14 years later, thousands of Belizeans join in on the frolicking, covering themselves in mud, chocolate, paint, and water.
I just out there to enjoy myself, like everybody else. Because it's only one time for the year, so we have to enjoy life.
I love the party SOS and Jouvert. If you miss this, you don't believe that.
And as the pre-carnival event grows, so do the bands. A uniquely Belizean flavor has started to soak into the Caribbean phenomenon.
All right, we feel happy, everything all right.
A visible police force stand by to ensure safety without interrupting the fun. And partiers get to enjoy several free watering stations provided by the Belize Water Service. It's these little added touches that keep revelers coming back and attract more and more newcomers each year.
We're from California. We're visiting for the carnival.
We out here. Our whole family's from LA.
From Belize.
We turned up. We came to get
First
turned
time
up.
ever at Jouvert 2016. It's mind-blowing.
Light time, turn up.
Covered in chocolate.
Boom, boom, boom.
Well, it's my first time in Jouvert, but 2016 it's a great experience, and I mean it's amazing. There's a great crowd in here, so love it a lot.
Yes, we're surely having a good time. All the way from Dangliga, all the way from CMI, we're surely having a good time.
Yo, the experience is so awesome. Like everybody's out there in Belize. Like I feel like the whole of Belize is out there right now. It's just so real, and everybody's got peace, no fighting. I love that so much.
Well, it's a wonderful experience because it's the first time that I've been to Jouvert, and it's a wonderful thing. I enjoy it. So I'll be here next year and next year again.
At the end of the route, a group of thousands greet the sun rising over the Caribbean Sea. Smiling and energized, all seem ready to carry that energy into Carnival Day.
Big up for yourself. Big up everybody who come out early this morning. And even sleep. We get wet. I feel cool. Big up my wifey. Big up everybody where they out there. See the crowd, fam. What you see? Very huge. This huge on the carnival what happened today.
Straight into the morning, me and all of my friends. This is like to the end, then we'll rest up and then carnival later.
How this one compared to last year?
This is bigger. This is huge. And what I like is that a lot of Belizeans came home. A lot of people from different Caribbean countries are here. They're like a melting pot of Caribbean people. It's amazing. And of course, previews of coming attractions for our carnival.